I want to show you guys which stock indicators I was using when I made over $50,000 in 1 day trading, and then also what the chart looked like. As you can see right now, I'm on Nokia's chart. This was back in January 27th, 2021. I was holding 101 Nokia call options, which gives me the right to buy 10,101 shares. And if you guys look right here, you can see we had a major gap up on the 27th. But before that, I bought my call options right around this area after Nokia made this first break outside the Ichimoku Cloud. So, one of the main factors that I was looking at was the volume profile, which is all this right here, these little lines. And as you guys could see, there really wasn't a ton of volume profile, meaning the lines weren't sticking out really far like this. They weren't all sticking out like this. Also, I was holding 30 call options on BlackBerry, which gives me the right to buy 3,000 shares. So let me pull up BlackBerry stock really quick. Okay, let's go back to 2021. So here we are. So also, I was using the Ichimoku Cloud's volume indicator. If you guys look right here, the major thing that I seen was a lot of consolidation right here. And then we started getting this little bit of an upward trend. And I knew there was a couple gaps in the volume profile where the price could move up significantly. And also beyond this volume profile, you could see a major move up. So I got in to BlackBerry right around this area when the stock started making an upward trend. We had one little price movement up here, dip back down, and then we had the major breakout to the upside where there wasn't a ton of volume profile over here. So if you guys look at like the SPY, for example, you'll see on this chart, this is the daily chart, you'll see right here, get my brush. Here's a ton of volume profile where price gets trapped. So approximately right here and right here, you can see the price will a lot of times will stay within this area before it breaks either upwards beyond the volume profile or downwards. So you remember GameStop, there was a lot of hype around that. I actually bought these call options before the GameStop hype, but if you look at the chart on GameStop back in 2021, I'm on the daily chart again. You can see a lot of consolidation right here. Here's the volume profile. You'll see over here. Whoops. You'll see over here there's not a lot of huge volume profile bars. So once it really got above this area right here, right in here, there was that massive shoot to the upside. Of course, there's a lot of short interest in all of that, but based on the chart readings, you could see not a lot of volume profile over here. The same thing I mentioned before with Rolls Royce. Let's see. Here's the weekly time frame. And I'll zoom out to give you a better picture. You had this major downtrend right here. Price is super bearish. You have the Ichimoku Cloud forming this downward trend. Price is below the Ichimoku Cloud. Super bearish. Then we started getting a little bit more consolidation. Then a little bit more price was moving downward a little bit below the Ichimoku Cloud. But then right about here, you started seeing a change where you had a little bit of consolidation and then it started moving in a positive direction, squeezed past the Ichimoku Cloud, The volume profile is all within this range right here. So you'll see there's not a ton of volume profile, kind of like GameStop. There's not a ton right here. And you had resistance, which was right here, and it broke this resistance, which turned to support and started moving in that positive direction. And one thing to remember is, with not a lot of volume profile, the price could move up super fast, and then also it could move down super fast. Right here, it's good to keep an eye on the different resistance and support lines. And so right here, you could see here's a resistance level that Rolls Royce literally hit right around here, and then it started making this downward trend. So just a couple things to keep your eye on, as well as with the RSI levels. Whoops. Right here. And you can remember, like an RSI above 70, the asset's considered overbought, meaning it's due for a pullback. So you can see right here, we're definitely over 70. And then below 30, the asset's considered oversold, meaning it may be due for a rebound. So keep that in mind with your RSI levels, support and resistance lines, and in the Ichimoku Cloud. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.